Yeah. Ain't nothing more important than this moolah. Ain't nothing more important than the moolah. Ain't nothing more important than this moolah. That fatty, that bread, that paper, that cake. Goddamn, my nigga, I gotta make this toast for your biscuit. Matter of fact, I'm letting you have it and I'm an addict. I'm addicted to money, nigga, so I grab it and hold tight. Y'all niggas wanna fight. I got a nice left, but I got a strong right. God damn, y'all niggas ain't ready for the kid. I got gun boys. I got gun boys. Never scared to do a bid. I bust a cig, salon, I will fix your wig. God damn, this kid is off the dome. Everything I'm spitting right now, this shit is off of the dome. Yeah, I'm tired of that niggas that be writing. All my shit is off the top and I am nice, man. God damn, y'all niggas front a lot, but I don't care though. My niggas stun a lot. Like Evel Knievel, this shit is limited. It's slimming, kid, cause they're hitting it. Damn, my paper is money long. My shit is Trey Long. My shit is Trey Songs. Cause it'll sing you to sleep, you little bitch niggas. I'm on the block getting paper, nigga. You wish, nigga, you could be like me. My nickname ain't Mike, so you can't be like me. You can't walk in my shoes, you can't see what I see. You can't do what I do, because niggas will approach you. Yeah, I'm a boss, so niggas ain't gonna test the kid. I keep the lead, something like a pencil, kid. Stop playing, nigga. I'm not playing, nigga. I'm just saying, nigga. A father to this game. I teach niggas how to cut, chef, cook the cane. It's like Santa, man. I'm delivering them presents, man. Before Christmas time, I'm on my Christmas grind. All summer long, I gotta get what's mine. Y'all niggas is frontin', and it's a lot of things y'all need to understand to be a fucking man. If you can't take care of a home, nigga, then give it up. Don't have kids if niggas ain't can't give it up. You shooting blanks. This shit stinks, cause when you step across a nigga like me, B, I'm like a black cat. I bring you bad luck. You chickens out here is getting plucked. Y'all niggas is crazy, so push the luck, cause life is a bitch, and I fucked her, so what's up? I face fucked her, violated all her shit, left my kid over her lip, mustached it. Goddamn, nigga, she got milk. Goddamn, my niggas is getting milked. Y'all niggas crazy. I move with an 80. I was born in the 80s, so you know that I'm crazy. I spit like I'm AZ. Don't fuck with that Jay-Z. A boss like I'm Jay-Z or Kanye-Z. Matter of fact, this haze got a nigga lifted like rocket ships up in the air. I am gifted like I'm wrapped up. I'm about to wrap it up, cause niggas know I got a team in the hood, wrap them up. They wrap you up, clap you up, tag you up, send them to the morgue, send them like, oh.